Hey guys, it's Ashley from NAT APP Reviews, and today we're unboxing Misfits Market for January. This is my second box of January. It will be my last box of January as well. So this is a weekly or bi-weekly ugly produce subscription. Basically, it's over product. It doesn't look normal. Sometimes there are some things that are a little very close to their expiration. You can choose to have the larger box, which is what I'm unboxing, called the Madness. That's $35. Or their smaller one, that's $22. I do have a coupon, there's one kitty, for 25% off your first box, and I'll get 25% off my next box. I'll put that down in the description. Basically, you do get to customize these boxes. That's a relatively new thing, but I've customized mine this week. It actually worked for once. Something I find interesting is that the packaging is just constantly changing. No, a spider's not gonna. All right, goodbye. So, like and subscribe, or a spider. What a threat. Anyway, so the packaging is always different. I guess they just use what they can get cheap. It is all biodegradable, compostable, or recyclable. So that's good. And yeah, so they do have a limited delivery area. I think I've said that already. You can find out particularly what states on their website. All right, so this is, what is this, arugula? Yes, I love arugula. Oh, it's one of my favorite things. I did select this because I love it on toast. If you're gonna do some avocado toast, it's just so beautiful. It has such a crisp bite to it, and I just love it. So I'm happy to have that. In fact, I'm kind of hoping there's a second. Yes, 2 bunches. They kind of do double it up in the bigger box, which is great if you have a bigger family like I do. All right, here's just some loose arugula. Loose arugula. I gotta take a picture for my review. All right, so I'm not wasting any of this stuff. All right. So next up, Oliver, nope, we're not doing that right now. All right, so next up is this container of Heirloom Medley cherry tomatoes. These look delicious. And they just, I don't know, when I saw them on their website, I was like, oh, those look like they would be tasty. So I got them, and I'm not even a big tomato person, but anyway. All right, so here's some cilantro. I love cilantro as well. This is like my favorite herb. I put it in everything. Extra cilantro. I know some people aren't so keen on it, but I am. So there's that. All right, Bok Choy. These are little Bok Choys. So saute that up with some salt, pepper, garlic. Yum, yum, yum. So there's 2 of those. And a leaf. Some poblano peppers. I don't know what we're gonna do with these yet, but they're gonna be something delicious. Maybe we'll stuff them. Wouldn't that be good? Some cheese. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so there's 3 of those. Oh, no, 4. 4 poblano peppers. Here's a spaghetti squash. Love spaghetti squash, so good. Such a great alternative to pasta if you are trying to go carb-free. All right, I don't know what, oh, this is an eggplant. I ordered eggplant, that's right. My husband's eggplant parmesan is my favorite ever. Oh no, that is not an eggplant. That is a zook. Look at that. That's a big zucchini, huh? All right. So there's 1 zucchini. This is, I'm guessing, another. How about it? Wow, those are big ass lemons. All right. Oh, by the way, I know a bunch of people have commented and I haven't gotten the chance. My cat is home. After 5 days, she did show up outside. So there's another zucchini, 2 giant zucchinis. So she is home, and thank you everybody that asked and you know, sent well wishes and stuff. I appreciate it. Okay, so these are little summer, look at these. So we have some giant zooks and little yellow squash. And okay, I find this hilarious. I ordered ginger, and I was not expecting, so there's some, but hold on, but wait, there's more. I think somebody was just like, oh, here, have some, look guys, oh my, I've never seen as much ginger. What on earth? Anyway.
How much ginger really is there?
So there's that. Next, we're gonna open up, we'll pull out these limes. So there's 3, 4, 5. Oliver, I don't need help counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. I feel like My last box was kind of not so great. I feel like this box is just, wow. Like, whoa, this is amazing. All right, so then we have some radishes, and these are beautiful. And I made pickled radishes about a month ago, and I have only just gotten around to trying them. They were so good. They were so good. I'm gonna make them again. They were just delicious. There's 2 huge bunches. No, there's 3 bunches. That's exactly what I'm doing with these. I'm pickling them. They're gonna be great. Then we have these 4 big lemons. These are beautiful. It is a lemon, right? It's not an orange. They're just so big. Yeah, look at how big that is. I love it. This box is fantastic. So there's 4 of those. My son is still quarantined. Just today, he goes back tomorrow. He's never did get sick or anything, so that's good. And then we have this giant, it's not giant, it's medium-sized eggplant. My husband's eggplant parmesan is the best ever, and that's why we order it. And then 1 lone beet. So for some more garlic, I think that's funny. How much garlic did they give me? So for my $35 spend, we got our lemons, our spaghetti squash, our radishes, our eggplant, our limes, 6 of them, no, 10 of them to be exact, a beet, more ginger than I know what to do with, squash, arugula, bok choy, these zooks, just tons and tons of food. I think it's totally worth it if you're interested in checking out something like this. It's a great way to help try to put a stop to food waste, which is a huge problem in our world. And so I like this box. Anyway, if you're interested in checking them out, I'll link to them below. I'll also link to my full review on my blog, so you can check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.